Hello gardeners. Today I will be explaining the best method to be used for germinating the seeds. I have got 4 seeds of Abroma augusta, pigeonberry plant, pink Aparajita single petal and black Dhatura double petal. I have bought all these seeds from Alka Garden. I will link that profile in the comment box and you can check it from there. The first and the foremost thing which you need to keep in mind that once you get the seeds, please sun dry it for 2 to 3 days. And the wow tip is mix a pinch of haldi or turmeric powder in the seeds because it will prevent any sort of fungus or bacterial infection over there. After you have sun dried the seeds, you need to soak them for 24 to 36 hours in tap water, and then the seeds will swell up to twice of their volume, or else they will settle down. If the seeds are floating after 24 to 36 hours of soaking also, the seeds is not good and they are not going to germinate. Please remove the seeds. Now I will be showing you all the seeds. This is seed of black Dhatura before soaking them, and this is after soaking them. You can see the increase in the volume and the shape and size. This is of pink Aparajita single petal, and this is after swelling them, soaking them in water for 24 hours. These are the seeds of Abroma augusta after soaking them. These are the seeds of pigeonberry plant. Locally we call it LED bulb plant. This plant has got very beautiful fruits, you can see in the picture. Now taking the soil, you can use the soil for 60% and sand for rest of the 40%. Please don't use coco peat because this will not give the strength to the roots of the seedlings. I am going to mix it. Please remove any pebble if you find inside it. Please use a separate container for germination purpose, and the container should have too many holes so that the water can be drawn out very easily. Now put the mix inside it. Just fill half of the container. You need not to fill the whole container. You can see I have filled all the 4 containers. Now you need to place the seeds by making a half inches deep hole like this. You can see I am placing one seed in one hole. एक बार the seed augusta are very small, that's why I am spreading it evenly from my hands only. This is pigeonberry. I have placed them all accordingly. What you need to do now is to pour sand on the seeds like this so that the water retention is there. One more thing which you need to keep in mind is that if the temperature in your place varies very high during the night and the day, like if the temperature during the night is 10 or 12 degrees centigrade and the day crosses 40 degrees, then you need to do what? You need to place a polythene bag on top of the container so that the changing temperature and the environment doesn't affect the growth of the seedlings. Like this. See, nothing is specific, just you need to cover it and tie one side. But this has to be done after pouring the water. I will be pouring the water on all the 3 other pots. Like this, you need to just sprinkle it. Provide lot of warmth. Please keep the container near high oxygen giving plants like tulsi in my case, and the sunlight should be indirectly falling on the pot. And you know, if you keep it in the direct sunlight, it may damage the seedlings. At this time, I would like to request you all to like the video if you have liked it, and please, your one like will recommend it to other viewers, other gardeners, and please subscribe my channel to support me and my efforts. Please try this method and let us know your results in the comment box. Thank you. And I will update you with the growth of the seedlings as soon as they grow. And तब तक plants लगाइए, खुश रहिए.